Today we're going to be installing the Gator SFX soft trifold cover on this 2019 new body style GMC Sierra. This is the same install for the Chevy Silverado, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, now this is exactly the way the cover comes out of the box. It's already completely assembled. I'm just going to go ahead and set it up on top of the bulkhead. The buckles are going to face the cab. I'm going to center it side to side on the bed caps. And once it's centered, I'm going to go ahead and unclip the buckles and gently fold it back to the tailgate. Once I get to the tailgate, I'm going to go ahead and center it back here as well, and also center it front to back. Now I'm going to very gently fold it forward so I don't mess up my alignment. And now I can go underneath and set my clamps. All right, now we can go ahead and slide our clamp over to the bed cap and make sure the jaw is biting down on the metal of the bed cap. Then we can go ahead and tighten down the clamp. Just get it nice and snug to where it doesn't move around. And repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, now I've already folded the cover to the tailgate. Next one I'm going to do is drop this clamp out. This is spring loaded, so now I'm going to just bring it over to the bed cap, pull it down, and hook it onto the bed cap. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.